Hey there, travel partners! Welcome to another exciting destination video. Today, we're whisking you away to Patras, Greece, a city where ancient history meets modern vibrancy on the shores of the sparkling Ionian Sea. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get ready to be inspired by the charm and beauty of this captivating Greek gem. From ancient wonders to lively festivals and breathtaking landscapes, Patras has something for every traveler. So, buckle up and join me as we explore 12 reasons why Patras should be your next travel destination. Our journey begins just outside of Patras, where we encounter a true marvel of modern engineering, the Rio-Antirrio Bridge. This bridge isn't just a way to get across the Gulf of Corinth, it's a symbol of human ingenuity. Imagine this. For centuries, the only way to cross this gulf was by ferry. Then, in the year 2004, this bridge opened and changed everything. It's an incredible feat of engineering stretching over 2 miles across the water. As you drive across, look out at the deep blue waters of the Gulf of Corinth. It's a view that will stay with you. The bridge is especially beautiful at night when it's all lit up. Now we're going to head into the heart of Patras, where layers of history are just waiting to be uncovered. Imagine the hush falling over the crowd as a hush falls as an orator takes the stage. This, my friends, is the Ancient Odeon of Patras, a place where history comes alive. This remarkably well-preserved theater dates back to the 1st century AD, a time when Patras was a flourishing Roman colony. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine the scene. You can almost hear the music and the applause. This theater has seen it all, from dramatic performances to gladiatorial combats. Today, the Ancient Odeon is a testament to Patras's enduring legacy. It's still a venue for music and performances. Imagine attending a concert here on a warm summer night. The stars are out, the music is beautiful, and you're surrounded by history. As we stroll through the ancient seats, we can almost hear the echoes of the past. It's a reminder that Patras has been a cultural hub for centuries. But Patras isn't just about the past. Let's raise a glass to the good life, shall we? We're at the Achaia Clauss Winery, where history and winemaking intertwine. Founded in 1861, it's Greece's oldest and largest winery. Founded by Gustav Clauss, it produces some of Greece's finest wines. The craftsmanship in every bottle is remarkable. The vineyards are stunning, especially during harvest. The real treat is the wine tasting. Sample celebrated wines from crisp whites to robust reds. Wine is best enjoyed with good company. Cheers! Get ready to party at the Patras Carnival, one of Europe's biggest and most vibrant carnivals. For weeks, Patras transforms into a whirlwind of color, music, and celebration. Imagine streets filled with elaborate floats, dazzling costumes, and contagious music. The Grand Parade is the heart of the carnival. It's a celebration of life and joy. Join the fun and create unforgettable memories. Our next stop takes us back in time to the heart of Roman Patras. This is the Roman Amphitheater, a place where gladiators once fought and chariots raced. Can you imagine the roar of the crowd and the clash of swords? This amphitheater dates back to the 1st century AD and could hold up to 20,000 spectators. Just like the Odeon, this amphitheater is a survivor. It's seen earthquakes, wars, and the passage of centuries, but it's still standing. Today, the amphitheater is a protected historical site, and it's easy to see why. As you walk through the ruins, you can almost feel the presence of the people who once sat here. They laughed, they cried, they cheered, they experienced life in this very spot. It's a humbling thought, isn't it? The Roman amphitheater is a powerful reminder of Patras's long and storied past. It's a place where history comes alive, and it's a must-see for any visitor to the city. Now let's step into a world of peace and tranquility. This magnificent structure is the St. Andrew Church, one of the most important churches in all of Greece. It's dedicated to St. Andrew the Apostle, who, according to tradition, was crucified here in Patras. The church itself is a masterpiece of Byzantine architecture with its towering dome and intricate mosaics. As you enter the church, take a moment to appreciate the serenity of the place. Light filters in through the stained glass windows, casting colorful patterns on the floor. The interior is just as impressive, with its ornate decorations and religious icons. You'll see pilgrims from all over Greece and beyond coming here to pay their respects. Whether you're religious or not, you can't help but be moved by the beauty and spirituality of this place. It's a place for quiet reflection, and it's a true gem of Patras. For a deeper dive into Patras's past, we're heading to the Patras Archaeological Museum. This museum is a treasure trove of artifacts from the region's long and fascinating history. You'll find everything from prehistoric tools to Roman mosaics to Byzantine icons. One of the highlights of the museum is the collection of Roman mosaics. These intricate works of art depict scenes from mythology, daily life, and nature. They're incredibly well preserved, and they offer a glimpse into the world of Roman Patras. Another must-see is the Mycenaean collection. Patras was an important Mycenaean center, and the museum has a fascinating collection of artifacts from this period, including pottery, weapons, and jewelry. The Patras Archaeological Museum is a must-visit for anyone interested in history and archaeology. It's a great place to learn about the people who lived in this region thousands of years ago. For breathtaking panoramic views, let's ascend to the Castle of Patras. This medieval fortress has stood watch over the city for centuries. Perched high above the city, the castle offers stunning views of Patras, the Gulf of Corinth, and the surrounding mountains. As you explore the castle grounds, imagine the battles and sieges that have taken place here. The castle has been ruled by Romans, Byzantines, Venetians, and Ottomans. It's a place where you can truly feel the weight of history. The castle has been beautifully restored, and it's a great place to wander around and soak up the atmosphere. There's a small museum inside where you can learn about the castle's history, and there are often cultural events held here. For the best views, be sure to climb to the top of the ramparts. From here, you can see for miles in every direction. It's a view that will stay with you long after you've left Patras. No trip to Patras is complete without a visit to the Lighthouse of Patras. This iconic landmark has been guiding ships into the harbor for over 160 years. It's a symbol of the city, and it's a popular spot for locals and visitors alike. The lighthouse is located on the waterfront, and it's a great place to go for a stroll, especially at sunset. As the sun dips below the horizon, the lighthouse casts a warm glow over the harbor. It's a truly magical sight. The lighthouse is particularly striking at night when it's all lit up. You can see its beam from miles away, and it's a comforting sight for sailors returning home after a long journey. Whether you visit during the day or at night, the Lighthouse of Patras is a must-see. It's a beautiful and historic landmark, and it's a reminder of Patras's important role as a port city. We're venturing outside of the city center to discover the Voundeni Cemetery. This site offers a glimpse into Mycenaean burial practices, a civilization that flourished during the Bronze Age. As you walk among the tombs, you feel a sense of awe. These tombs date back to the 15th century BC, containing remains of important Mycenaeans. The tombs are architectural marvels with vaulted roofs and intricate decorations. Inside, archaeologists found artifacts including pottery, weapons, jewelry, and chariots. Visiting the Voundeni Cemetery is like stepping back in time. Let's head back to the heart of modern Patras, to a place where the city's vibrant energy is palpable. Psila Alonia Square, also known as Upper Town Square, is the central gathering place in Patras. It's a bustling hub of activity, day and night. The square is lined with cafes, restaurants, and shops, and it's a great place to people watch and soak up the atmosphere. You'll see families out for a stroll, friends meeting for coffee, and street musicians performing for the crowds. In the center of the square stands a beautiful fountain, which is especially lovely at night when it's all lit up. The square is also home to several important buildings, including the City Hall and the Municipal Theater. Whether you're looking for a bite to eat, a place to shop, or just a place to relax and watch the world go by, Psila Alonia Square is the place to be. It's the beating heart of Patras, and it's a must-visit for any traveler. Our final stop takes us to the waterfront, to relax and enjoy the beauty of the Ionian Sea. The Patras Marina is a bustling hub with yachts and sailboats bobbing in the harbor. It's a great place to walk, enjoy the fresh sea air, and soak up the lively atmosphere. The marina is lined with restaurants and cafes, so you can sit back with a drink or a meal and watch the boats come and go. It's the perfect way to end a day of sightseeing. Patras is one of those places that sneaks up on you. It's not as flashy as some of the Greek islands, but it has a quiet charm and authenticity that grows on you. I hope this video has inspired you to add Patras to your travel wish list. Remember, folks, travel is about more than just checking things off a list. It's about connecting with people, experiencing new cultures, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. And I can't think of a better place to do that than in the heart of Greece. So keep on exploring, keep on learning, and I'll see you on the road.